Hi guys, I'm here with a new video today. This video is all about digital painting without any major tricks or tools. Yes guys, here in this video we'll be using just the brush tool, nothing else. I just want to keep it simple, raw and as close to art as possible. Nothing is so technical here. You all can easily do it, not many skills required here. You just have to know the basics of using a brush tool. Let's do it with a positive vibe. Yes friends, the vibe is kinda important here. My personal experience says when I'm happy, my art comes out really great. So hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, that will really make my day. So guys, first of all, draw a rough sketch of whatever you want to draw, whatever you have in your mind. In this video, I'm drawing a portrait here of Robert Downey Jr., aka the Iron Man, one of my favorite superhero, but after Batman, sorry guys, Batman is Batman for me. Now it's time we start painting. So let's pick a brush. If you don't have one, comment on this video, I'll share you the link. Set your opacity to around 50 to 55, that works best for me while putting the basic colors on my painting. And about your pen pressure settings, it differs depending on which device you're using. I'm using Wacom and I have the default setting, it just works fine for me. Choosing the right colors for your painting is very important. If you are a beginner and you can just open the reference image on another Photoshop window and just pick the colors from there, it really makes the job a lot easier. So guys, no matter how bad you are at it right now, but trust me, you can master it. The only key is practice. The more you practice, the better you will be at it. I look back into my past and I can clearly see my progress. Trust me. Once you have applied the basic colors, now you can mix the colors. Mixing is really easy. You just have to decrease the opacity level somewhat around 20 to 25. The way I do it is paint a particular area with the basic colors first, then mix it. You can do it your way. Maybe put the basic colors first to the whole painting, then mix it. Either way, first apply the basic colors, then mix them to look smooth. Depending on the texture you want in your painting, you can mix more or less. If the material is shiny, the mixing is going to be fine shaded. And if it is a rough surface, then just leave some rough edges, don't mix it completely. It will give you a better look. The last step is the most important one. It's the details. It will make your painting look more realistic. The more details you add, the more it will look real. It takes a lot of hard work, but at the end, it's all worth it. For adding details, we have an advantage here in digital painting to zoom in on your artworks. So zoom in on the area you want to add details, and as you go down, your brush size should decrease accordingly. That way you can add pretty small details and make your painting look hyper realistic. I zoom in as much as possible while adding details to the eyes if I'm painting a portrait, as you can see in this video. Keep zooming out and take an overall look. That way you can easily spot if there's any mistake and just correct it right away. Don't use eraser to fix your mistakes, it will mess it up even more. Just use the brush tool with the right color. However, you can use the eraser to find the edges of your painting. After doing all that, this is what we get. No tricks, no tools, a fresh raw art with just a brush. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys liked the video. And if you do, then leave a comment, hit a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That will encourage me to make more videos like this in future. Bye bye.